Hi guys! Amazing life to all. Welcome to Amazing LBTV. Ito ang ating vlog for today. It's Tuesday today. September 26, Tuesday. Yan yung ating vlog. Si Doggy. Stray dog na ating pinamumukbang. Ayaw niya ng fish. Bigyan natin siya ng carrots. Gusto ba niya ng carrots? Gusto mo anak ng carrots? Gusto niya ng carrots. Ayaw niya ng fish. Ayan, shoutout sa mga super chatter friends. Vitamin for the soul vlog. Yang Nishimura from Japan. Madam Mirna Norris, Kapitbahay, USA. Ayan, kumakain siya ng carrots. Amazing shoutout. Kapulong family. Goldstream family. Ken, hello sa iyo dyan. Bisayang Tagalog. Bertong Nagalag from Saudi. Thank you so much din. Ayan, hindi niya inubos yung carrots. Tinikman lang. Kainin mo na yan. Ayan, kinain niya na. Para healthy, kainin mo anak yung carrots. Mama dog siya. Ayan. Kainin mo yan anak. Salita natin stray dogs. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to. Nakita ko lang. Binigyan ko lang ng food. Tuesday today. Kamusta kayo? Yan ang ating vlog for today. Ayaw na ni Doggy. Ayan, na muna ang ating vlog for today. Let's eat more gulay. Gulay is life. Mag-exercise. Health is wealth. God bless us all. Saringin.